Here in this video today, I'm going to show you how to clear recently watched video on Facebook on Android phone. If you have watched some videos on your Facebook app and you wish to delete all of them, or you want to delete part of it, or you want to delete them one after the other, this video will help you to achieve that within the space of 3 to 5 minutes. All you need to do is just watch this video from beginning to the end, and you will be able to delete or clear all recently watched videos on Facebook app on Android and on your web browser. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is you need to click on the Facebook app on your phone. Click on the hamburger to the top right. Scroll down the page until you find settings and privacy and tap on it. A new pop-up will expand. Tap on settings and wait for the interface to load. You need to scroll down the page until you get to Facebook activity log and tap on it. Once the page is opened, tap on filter to the top right and tap on the hamburger to the top left of categories. Now, scroll down or look down the page until you see logged action and activity and other activity and tap on it. Tap on videos you have watched. At this juncture, you will see the list of all Facebook video you have watched in the past. Now, to delete this video, scroll down or search for the video in the activity log and tap on the more option opposite the video title, opposite the video image rather. Tap delete from the pop-up and wait for a moment. The video will be deleted. So you can repeat this process one after the other to delete all recently watched Facebook video on your Facebook app. So this deleted video will not be kept in the trash. No items. So you can follow this step one after the other to delete all videos you have recently watched on your Facebook account using Facebook mobile app on your Android phone. Next, let's go to how to clear Facebook recently watched video on web browser. So you can use any browser, but for the sake of this video, we're going to use Google Chrome browser. So open your Chrome browser and open a new tab. Open the map option to the top right. Select desktop site. Now go to Facebook website, facebook.com. Log into your Facebook account if you are not logged in already. But in my own case, I have already logged onto my Facebook account. So you need to click on your profile icon. You will be redirected from the Facebook homepage to your profile icon. Click on the three dot opposite edit profile. Click on your activity log. Now, you will see all activity log, including timeline review, photo review, and tag review. So in this case, we need to click on filter. Under category, if you have a particular year you want to delete or clear all video you watched in that year, select the year from the year option. So in this video, suppose you want to delete all 2015 video, we select 2015. So if you want to select a particular month for that video, or the particular month you watch that video, select month. If it is August, January, September, November, and then move down to the category section and click on videos you have watched. Videos you have watched. So if you cannot find it there, that shows. Okay, here we go, videos you have watched. Click on it, tap on save change. Now take a look at the left hand right under videos you have watched and tap on clear video watch history. Now from the pop-up you see, are you sure? Remember, only you can see your video watch history. Tap clear video watch history. And that is it. The video watch history will be clear for that particular year. So if you want to clear all video you recently watched on your Facebook account, then click on clear video watch history again. Or better still, go to filter, select under here, select all, and go to under categories, scroll down to videos you've watched and select save changes. Now tap on clear videos you have watched and tap clear video watch history. That is it. So let us now refresh this page and see. Now this may take a few seconds or a few moments, but all your video watch history will be cleared. Okay, let's click on activity log to see whether it will take effect instantly. No. So if you go to your Facebook app again, if you refresh the activity log to access all recently watched videos, you will find out that the videos are no longer available. So guys, this is how to clear recently watched video on your Facebook history. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss on our next Facebook update and other videos we share on this channel. Thank you.